3 trucks, 12 jobs, and 2 unpaid interns. In this episode of Foxy TV, we are taking you out on a busy day to give you some insight on how a home staging business operates. Let's go.
We got 6 installs, 6 packups, including a couple of really big installs and a couple of big packups. So across all 3 trucks, they're all going to be quite busy. All 3 trucks, 2 out of 3 trucks are about to head off. The third one's just been finalised. Let's get going. Alright, so I'm following M1, that's what we call the trucks, M1, 2 and 3. I'm on M1, Sean's on M2. M1, first job of the day is in Carindale, about 20 minutes from the warehouse on the east side of Brisbane. Kirsten is our lead stylist here for this property. Let's go see what's happening.
We are doing a large 5-bed integrated install, 2 living, 2 dining. So yeah, nice big one, but the clients had it all ready for us, so it's hopefully quite straightforward.
Now there was a bit of a mishap.
Yeah, there was. So there was a study quoted originally for the front room. However, there was discussion had later on to have that actually changed into a 5th bedroom. So we haven't been sent the 5th bed. So we're currently talking with Nikki and Phoebe trying to organise someone to bring that out for us. But I don't have a bed for it.
Yeah, so that's fine. We'll just have to figure out how to get you a bed. Leave it with me. I'll give you a buzz back.
Okay, no worries. Thank you.
Right, bye.
Bye.
So while truck 1 was on its way to its second job in Upper Mount Gravatt, Sean was with truck 2 in Brisbane, where he had some filming help from Jake and Phoebe's boys.
Mum, you're in the video.
I'm always in the video, Sammy.
Look. What are you doing?
I am putting out the accessories on your shoulder. Putting them all out, getting everything ready, and you can watch them go from empty to full. So this is 5 bedrooms, one study, 3 living areas, and we've got our dining with multiple outdoor spaces. It's come together really quickly, but it was a really tight load for the truck. So logistically, what that means is that truck can't fit anything else on it. So it needs to go reload to be able to fit the rest of its day in. So the boys have gone and done that while we've been finishing off. We're going to meet them at the next one. So let's keep the day going.
Before we go back to truck 1, which I was following around, I'll also mention truck 3, which had an install in Mitchelton, where Ebony was lead stylist, followed by a pack-up in North Lakes. Okay, back to truck 1.
Alright, and where are we now?
We're in Mount Gravatt at a 3-storey home with a really steep hill. It's killing us.
Alright, 11 o'clock in the morning. We're here at our 3rd job, which is an install in Norman Park on the east side of Brisbane. Alright, Em, this is your final job of the day. The truck's out of here. What are we doing here in this beautiful home?
Big one.
Yeah.
It's 5-bed, 2 living, lots of stairs, so it's killing me with the heat.
Now that I'm leaving, you got all this to do by yourself.
Yep, just me, yes.
Hopefully we can get you some help.
Let's now rejoin Sean, who stuck around at the first install of the day. So he missed truck 2's second job of the day, a pack-up in Paddington. He rejoined the team for truck 2's 3rd job of the day, an install in Mount Gravatt, where Hayley was lead stylist.
I just finished up here at my last install. Now I'll go back to the warehouse most likely.
And while that install was happening, truck 3 had an install in Zilmere, which is on the north side of Brisbane. Now back to truck 1, the truck I was following for a pack up in New Farm.
So I'm in New Farm. We were just packing up that property over there. I was only there for about 10-15 minutes, and I've been called to another pack-up for the second truck, which is running behind time, so I'm going to get there ahead of time to help out over in Tenerife, which isn't too far away. All right, I'm here at the last pack-up on truck 2 now. I've swapped trucks, gone to an extra job. Now, I said Tenerife, this is in fact Cooperoo. Got my suburbs mixed up. So it's a little townhouse or unit, 3 bedrooms upstairs. Truck number 2 with Fletcher should be here soon. We'll get this done and head back to the warehouse. So Fletch, big day, mate, for truck number 2?
Very big day, yeah.
Yeah.
2 big installs and 2 decent sized backups, but a couple of things went wrong unfortunately, but slowed us down, but it is what it is.
Nearly done here and then back to the warehouse?
That's it, almost a day done.
Jake, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we're all finished.
Just about. We're at the warehouse now. We're just unloading really it's just this truck to get unloaded. It's the last pack up of the day for them. The other one's unloaded. The other one on the other side is just about done as well. So we'll get this off and we'll be pretty much done. And in the meantime, I'm going to start pulling out some stuff for tomorrow because, you know, big day today, but we've still got installs tomorrow that we have to be ready for.
So there you have it, a look at a busy day at Foxy Home Staging. It was a bit chaotic. I was chopping and changing between trucks. I hope you were able to follow along and perhaps got something out of this episode. We have done more in-depth, informative episodes in the past, and of course we'll be doing more in the future. But this was a bit of a look at how it all comes together without over-explaining every step of the way. We have explained the processes and how things come together in previous episodes, and we'll do in future episodes too. If you would like anything specific answered or covered, let us know in the comments below or send us a message. Otherwise, thanks again for watching and we'll see you next week.
So yeah, that's the day. Pretty busy, pretty hectic, but we all pitch in and get everything done, so.
This is a bed that
Your mom made.
Phoebe did. She did it perfectly, chopped the pillows, put the blanket on, shaped it well, and put all the good stuff good